What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going over episode 2 of building an energy drink brand, and I'm super excited to show you guys everything that's going to go down in this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. All right, guys, in the last video, we did so much to get going on this energy drink brand, but there was one thing that was holding us back, and that was the actual formulation of this product. Now, I did some research in the last video and sent out some emails and was happy when I checked my email inbox and I actually found some positive responses. Now, let's jump into one of these meetings that I had with this energy drink formulation company right now.
What's the experience with how every soda company has artificial, or not artificial flavors, but it says natural flavoring?
Yeah.
What does that even mean? I've seen people go back and forth on social media about oh, it's good for you. It's just a way to not show certain things. What's your take?
Are you talking about artificial flavor versus natural flavor?
No, just there's been discussions on social media that I've seen about natural flavoring and how it's just a mask for ingredients sometimes that some people can get away with. What have you?
Yeah. I see that a lot in alcohol. There's some tricks in alcohol because flavors will carry alcohol. So sometimes you go, we've got a special flavoring and special lemon flavor that's, oh, by the way, 190 proof. You know what I mean? This is that, especially in alcohol, that happens a lot less so in the non-alcohol space because sometimes they can carry even some sweetness, right? But again, you get found out when you do the calorie count and whatever. It's okay, it's coming from somewhere. You might have only added this much sugar, but where are you picking up the other numbers, So I think you really get found out. I mean, at the end of the day, it's especially with a simple thing you're doing, it's you want to brag how simple this is. And we'll get down the road, but for what it's worth, you can go natural, artificial flavoring too.
Yeah, the samples themselves, right? Getting to that end of that step, time frame and price point on just sample, let's just say just samples and getting that process authority letter, and everything's okay. Because
the first round you would probably get in 3 weeks from signing, and then let's say completion is probably of the formula with process authority letters, probably 12 weeks total elapsed time. And I can request more samples than 6. At the end there, let's say we ask for a couple dozen or something. They'll probably do that, and then we can assess if you want to do a pilot to get some more. There is a way, since this is fairly easy, there's a way to get about 48 cans at our lab too, which is a really, we don't offer it to many people. It's kind of a trick of the trade that we do, and this product would fit nicely to be able to do it. So if you wanted 48 cans, we could do that too. It's maybe $1,000.
Oh, that'd be cool.
All right, guys, so after that video, I was pretty pumped and I was ready to build out all the assets needed to give to this man and his company so that we could start going on this formulation. So immediately I'm building the ingredient list. I'm putting every detail that I need to put in there, what I want in the drink, what I want it to be named, so on and so forth. And I can't show you guys this, but I will show you guys this once we launch the actual product. So I got going on this and I sent this back to the company. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what that will look like, and all the exciting stuff is going to come after this. So stay tuned, and I have one last thing to share with you before we jump, so let's go into that. Whew. All right, guys, well, that was a powerful episode 2 for me. I mean, getting past the beverage formulation is so important for me, and just getting going with this project. So now that we got the formulation right and I got the quote back, what you guys are going to see in the next episode is us actually signing the agreement, signing the dotted line, so to speak, and moving forward with this project, and actually getting to the fun part, which is building really all the necessities of the brand, from the brand colors to the logo, to the website and everything in between, not to mention tasting the actual drinks, which is going to be the funnest part in my opinion. So stay tuned into the next episodes. Thanks you guys so much for watching. And if you have any ideas or comments or ideas for the brand, drop them below. I'd love to hear your guys' insights, and join me on this journey while I build this company. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.